this is Stephen here from Share Navigator, and this is our daily active stock trade update. So, just to remind you, these are trades that we're going to be in on specific stocks for a very short period of time. That's the intention. We've taken a position in Alaska Airlines. We've already spoken about that. It looks like we've got our timing right. So we click into Alaska Airlines here. You can see yesterday was the first positive day we've had in quite some time. And it looks like we're going to get followed through. The pre-market is showing Alaska Airlines up about 2%. It's early days yet. That could change very, very quickly. But it looks positive for now. So we intend staying at that until about 56. We get in at 49.07. So we're just under break even at this moment in time. Also, we've bought that on our long-term portfolio because we actually see a higher price over the next 12 to 18 months again. So it's going to fulfill both our short-term and our long-term stock portfolio. The other stock I want to just quickly jump onto is Flutter. We're going to take a position in that today. You can see it's trading at about 18,630. We have a target price, a short-term target price of just under or just over 2,000. And again, this is another stock we'd be happy to own for the long term. And just remember, we've done all the screening on these stocks. We've gone through our equity scan tool, which is proprietary to Share Navigator, and we're constantly looking at our target prices here as well, both from the analyst perspective and also from our algorithm and our valuation model. So Flutter is both a long-term and a short-term play, and we're going to take a position in that today. So short-term trading, we're looking at just a kind of over 2,000 on that. 20,000 is if you look at it from Flutter's perspective, and that'll be about a 10% gain from where it currently is. So that's Flutter. That's going to be bought today. There's others there that we like. We've screened. Remember, this is thousands of stocks being screened, and we narrow it down to a few that we consider to be value, and we still don't fancy jumping into some of them. Some that we're starting to like now is Boston Scientific. So you can see here a positive day yesterday, and this support seems to be holding, which is good. So we might trade that back to this 20-day moving average. We might give that another day. Other stocks is GoDaddy is something similar, a positive day yesterday, which is good. We could trade that back to the 20-day moving average. So both of those we might pull the trigger on. Others we're not as confident on. For example, Tyler Technologies. I just don't like the way it's creating new lower lows all the time. So I think I want to see that stop first. Something similar here with FMC, a lower low. And FizAirv yesterday, actually, you could argue was actually maybe it's starting to plateau. It's still too early to pull the trigger, in my view, on that one. So for today, we're sticking with Alaska Airlines. We're going to take a position in Flutter, and we may also consider Boston Scientific and GoDaddy. We'll wait to see how the market reacts today later on when it opens. Okay, this is Stephen from Share Navigator with our active stock trade update. Thanks and bye for now.